The vision of KL College of Pharmacy is to produce quality healthcare professionals. We conducted many programs regarding healthcare, blood testing and cancer awareness programs. Strength of the College of Pharmacy is faculty. We have functional MOUs with nearly more than 35 of the industries in and around. Majority of our students, they were working as a formulation scientists. We make sure that all the students are equipped with professional competencies and comprehensive knowledge and the desirable skills